everybody, I'm Lita with Hibiscus Soap Cottage, and today we're making dill pickle soap. Straight up pickle juice, alright? This another one from Nature's Garden. Let's see. Quite pleasant. Very interesting. Sudsy, soapy smelling. It's nice. This is very strong. So far, it's been turning like an orange. Again, this is an experiment soap. I'm hoping this will turn out wonderful. Let me put it up here. See, look at that. So I'm going to bring the camera down so that everyone can focus on here. And while I add the sodium hydroxide, and I will talk about safety, your goggles, gloves, wear long sleeves if you want, and a mask. Not necessary because it's kind of frozen here. Not kind of, it is frozen. And it's not going to be fumy. So the only time I wear a mask is if it's just straight up water, distilled water. But once I have my ice cubes or this, we're good. You won't find a lot of fumes. So, okay, here we go. All right, guys. Let me bring it down. So here it is. Sodium hydroxide going into the pickle juice. 1 spoon at a time. All right. You don't want to rush this. Goggles, please. Safety. This is, very caustic and can be quite dangerous for your eyesight. Your skin can get burned. Not good. Newbies that are watching this, please be very careful. All right. Trust everyone is lovely, doing good. I may have to strain this one. We're getting a little clump. Nothing to worry about. I want to know if this will turn like a normal color after saponification. Do you guys remember the persimmon? That was pretty dark. And then I got a light brown up to now. So thank you guys who are purchasing my soaps. I really appreciate you. And I'll be talking about something really lovely soon about my subscribers. I reached 100 and I feel like it's 1,000,000. And so I am very grateful for everyone who tunes in and takes the time to subscribe, share, like, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you. And I'll probably repeat myself, so there you go. All right, we got a little chunkiness happening here. What is this? Ooh. Oh, because I paused. I waited too long. It got a little... Okay, that's okay. Nothing to worry about. Can everybody see? All right. So it's turning like an orangey color. Weird. Pickle juice. Straight pickle juice. I love the pickles. It tastes so good on hamburger. Ooh, so yum. Very lovely. Pickle juice. Soap. Amazing. That should be a pretty thumbnail. I'll try to find something weird. Of course. Look at that. Interesting thing. Very bright orange on the bottom there. Oh boy. So this is tedious, boring part. I'm not going to keep rolling. So when I get this sodium hydroxide, the lye incorporated into the pickle, the frozen pickle juice, I will return, guys. All right. Okay. Getting there a little bit. I don't know if you guys wanted some reference points, but here we go. We're at 92, 90. All right, we got one little block of the pickle juice here, and I'm getting all kinds of numbers. I'm trying to control the temp so it's not like brown, but as you can see, it's like a pumpkin color. Nice, like pumpkin puree color. All right, where are we at? 93, 90, 89. Okay. And this should be it for the, let's turn it this way so you, oh, perfect. There you go. All right, stir, stir. Like a carrot juice. I love carrot juice. Oh, what do I not like? 90, 91, and I think that's it. So let's continue to maintain the temp here of the, and this is what it turns like when you freeze pickle juice. This is what it looks like right here. Pickle juice mixed. This is 100% pickle juice. All right, it is fully melted, the pickle juice ice cube block there. Okay. And what do we have? -92 degrees we have, all right? Okay, 92 so far. I'm going to go ahead and melt the oils and we'll get started. Because of the salt in this pickle juice, I am thinking I may get a soap that becomes hard faster. Don't know, like don't need little salt bars. Don't know. So let's see. Let's see, all right? Okay, here we go. The arrowroot powder has been blended in the oils. The oils are at, let's see, 89. And the pickle juice and the sodium hydroxide, 77. So we're good. All right, here we go. We are going in. And then I have the fragrance oil here. All right, get something to pat the bottom because we are going to make sure you guys can see. All right, pickle juice going in. How exciting, right? Oh, we still have some on the bottom. Look at that little chunky area that I said earlier was just right here. And I'm not going to color it. Guys, I want to see what we're going to get. Are we going to change color? What's going to happen here? Into the ice you go. All right. We're just going to use this to make sure that's arrowroot powder on there. Okay, here we go. So it slides down nicely. We got good temperature going. Right. Okay. Looks like carrot juice. Okay. I'm not worried about that little chunk down there. Let's see. All right. Oh. Okay. There. Right. Where are we at now since I added the lye water? 88 degrees. Now. Right. I've got everything ready to go. Okay. So I'll stick blend and be back. Oh. Just emulsified, all right? That's good. Because I don't know what we'll get when we add that fragrance oil. So let's see. Sometimes it heats up a little more. We're going to do the temp, all right? Let's do the temperature. 85. Okay. Right, sometimes, see, it's nice and it's not separating off of your stick blender. You're good to go. Right. For emulsification. I may have an almost light trace here. That's what I'm thinking. Right. Here we go. I'm going to bring the mold nearby. Actually, I'm going to put it right here. Okay, there we go. Yeah. So, everyone can see that. Let's get fragrance oil going in. refreshing. Whoa. We're getting acceleration. We are not getting any yet. It's warm. We're good. Good to go here. With these finicky, well, I don't think this one's finicky, but that emerald rain last week, I try to maintain, my idea was to get that marble look. I changed my mind and just did a hanger swirl, maintaining the temperature of the batter, because that emerald rain fragrance oil had a note on it that it accelerated trace, and it did. That's why I did them individually. You guys can look at that video. That was pretty cool. That was good. I'm about to cut that one. I have it right here. But I'm knocking this dill pickle before I leave. Alright, so good. Good. We are good to go. Here it is, going in with the dill pickle batter into the mold. Here. Okay. Good. That will fit into that. And I'm going in with the tall and skinny. Here we go. I want those little cubes so that I can put a hibiscus for my coconut soap bowls. That's a project I'm working on. Here we go. Very nice. Good. That'll be for my coconut soap molds. It's just going to be a summer thing that I'm working on, a little project. Here we go. This will be resting right here. Good. I will cover this pickle juice soap. Very nice. It's been in here about a week, looking really nice. And interesting, it smells like pickle but sweet. It's like a sweet pickle. Alright, here we go. And the color did not change. The color did not change from that little light green. Sweet pickle. Alright, very nice. Sweet, pickly. Very nice. Now during the cure, I don't know if the color is going to change during the cure. We shall see. What does everybody think? This is a pickle juice soap. Sweet pickle scented. Now the tall and skinny. Alright, let's see. I got 10 of the regular size purple mold. Let's see what we get with our tall and skinny mold. Okay. Oh, so cute. I just love that I have this cute little square size. Perfect for samples and, put together things. So let's see what we have here. Very nice. Smooth. Nice. Pickle juice, again, but smaller size. The 2x2. Here we go. cute. Again, there's like a light, very faint gelling going on in here. Alright, so I will see what happens after 4 weeks and revisit this. It smells wonderful. Very nice. So that's the 2x2, the little 2x2s. Here you can see the gel in here. Very light gel. Hello everyone, welcome back. Okay, so that was a cutting. I got 10 of the regular size bars, and you guys can see like a very light, a faint gelling in the center. Now it smells like a sweet, you know those things from a hamburger, the pickles, so wonderful. It smells like a light sweet pickle, dill pickle. Quite everything's dill pickle. I mean, at the truck stops, at the stores, you see dill pickle this, dill pickle that. So I you know, if you like dill pickle, this may be something. It's tangy, dill pickly. All right, that's 10 of those, and let's see, what do we have? 3, 6, 15 of the little 2x2s. Right, cute. This also has a light gel center to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. After 4 weeks, it's interesting to know what we're going to get, if the color is going to change, as there is a light gel center. Let's see. The liquid, the light solution was green. So let's see. You guys have a wonderful week. And until next video, I'm Lita with Hibiscus Soap Cottage.